There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to the Flash weekly update call. My name is Dominic and I will take you through updates for Flash, what I see on this week trading, what I did on my live account, what I did on my demo account. So let's jump into it. First of all, I will share my screen with you guys. Okay, share screen, it's on. So let's go first of all to the FX monitor, where we're gonna go through to see how the demo account is actually performing, which pairs are open. You can see right now that we have opened almost every single pair. Still, we are in big drawdown on Euro NZD, 14% just on this pair. Also, we are still in drawdown on GBP AUD, and we are now in drawdown in USD JPY. So what I will doing here in the next weeks on the demo account, I will be 100% removing Euro NZD and USD JPY. Why I will be removing actually these pairs, I will show you right now, because, okay, what do we have here? Because here we can see, I don't know what happened with this my FX book, or it just started like that. Okay, but no problem, because USD JPY, it's actually the worst performing pair right now with Euro NZD. If we go here in the summary, we can see that USD JPY, let's switch it to profit. You can see here that Euro NZD has 51 trades, 102 euros in profit, and USD JPY already has 144 trades and 126 euros in profit. And these two pairs really, like, since I started running this demo account, are the worst performing, always have the most trades open, and then always produce the biggest drawdown. So I will be not testing them anymore, I will be just ditching them and start and we'll be testing other pairs, because I think that, like, if we have like around 10 to 15 pairs running on Flash, we can make amazing profits. Also, what I did this week, I actually put into the Flash, I put in USD tech. This is US 100, and it started like running, and you can see we already did like some nice profits, but also we already ran into some drawdown. Let's see. So it's not so big. We right now have 1.2% open drawdown on USD tech. I also dropped in UK 100, and I will also start testing Flash on the cryptocurrencies. I put XRP now in. I will be also putting Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in, so we can see how Flash is also performing on these pairs. So if we jump now into the MT4, so we can go through a little bit through pairs, so we can see how it's performing. You can see it's like really closing nicely out trades, but let's go pair by pair so we can see how it's actually working. AUD CAT, we are right now $33 in minus, and on AUD Swiss franc we are like $8 in minus. AUD JPY, also some really low drawdown. AUD NZD, we are in buy positions, also really low drawdown. AUD USD, also nice trades. Right now we are in uh, sell positions, so this is really nice. Also, we have CAD Swiss franc. This is like what is expected, like especially from Swiss franc pairs and JPY pairs, that they just go on a run like for no reason. You can also see here we were like close to getting cash trail start at 24 euros. We were in plus, and the cash trail start by 27. Why? Because I'm multiplying here with 900, and then you see Swiss franc pairs just like ran now like for around this one 150 pips. Also the same thing with CAD JPY. You can see this one just went like bananas, and it went up almost 300 pips already, like without a retracement. I'm also trading it on my live account. I will show you also my live account. Swiss franc JPY, we don't have anything open. Euro AUD, we actually got out of all the buy positions. We already closed down some sell positions. EuroCAD, we don't have anything open. Euro Swiss franc, some minor drawdown. Euro GBP, also nothing. Euro JPY, we don't have anything open. Here it's our Euro NZD, and like what I see here by Euro NZD, if we like look more closely, I didn't have it here set on Euro NZD. Actually, how many pairs, how many trades it can open in a pip range. I allow them like to open as many as possible. So now what I did, I put that it can open 2 trades for every 25 pips, and you can see it spread them like out like really nicely. But if you can look here, because it was ranging so hard, you can see that we have like just here in 300, this is 400 pips, you can see how many trades we have inside. So if we would have it like 25 pips, only 2 trades, we would have a lot less trades, and in this 600 pip movement we wouldn't have like so many trades open. And that, what does that mean? That we would have like the drawdown would be much less. Okay, Euro USD, nothing open at the moment. Let's see, GBP AUD. GBP AUD, we are still in trades, $1,700 in minus right now. This was like really big moves, and also here there were like no limitations on how many trades it can open per pips, so it also ran like 800 pips. GBP CAT, we closed out everything. GBP JPY, we have 2 trades open. GBP NZD, nothing open. GBP USD, also we closed down buys. Let's see, NZD CAT, something small. NZD JPY, also NZD USD. So the only pair that it's like actually right now like in a major drawdown, it's still Euro NZD. Your USD Swiss franc, it's like 200 pips in drawdown, and also USD JPY, it's 1200. And you can also see how many trades it has opened, and we are right now 300 pips in drawdown. Just like it made a move, and this is like why I'm like ditching USD JPY and Euro NZD. I'm removing them all the way. Silver, nothing open. We have close trades on gold. I will show you what I did on my live account. So this is why I always tell you like to wait with like especially gold and indices. You can see here German 30. We are like in some drawdown. USD 30, we closed down everything. UK nothing open, and USD tech we have like some drawdown open at the moment, $500. So yeah, the drawdown is going down. XRP, I didn't put it on yet, but I will do it this week. So let's jump now actually to my live account, and I will show you what happened to me. You can see it's like 23 hours ago. It was updated, and you will see now I'm in like a bigger drawdown, and right now I'm in drawdown, let's see, 25%. And this is why, because I actually added this week gold, because people are like, so let's add gold to the live accounts. I was like, okay, I'm gonna add gold to see what is gonna happen. And yeah, on my live account, gold didn't get out of trades. So right now, like gold, it's most of the drawdown. I don't have it connected to the FX monitor, but I'm gonna connect it. And CAD JPY also, it's like the bigger in drawdown, nothing else. It's in drawdown. USD Swiss franc also. But today we have news, really like significant news for the US dollar, and they're predicting that US dollar is gonna fall like really hard. So all the USD dollar pairs are gonna go down. So that means USD JPY it's going down, Euro USD it's going up, and gold it's predicted to go make a major move up. So I don't need like a big move on gold like to close out everything in profit. And this is on FOMC. So FOMC it's in 44 minutes now. Like right now the market, it's like if we go to trading view, the market it's like standing mostly still because everybody is anticipating the FOMC statement. And you can see here that gold it's now just ranging here like in a range of like 100 pips, but definitely I'm anticipating that gold is going to make a big break to the upside, and like that I get out of my trades. Gold just has to like close up here, and then I'm out of all my trades. So let's see if there's like any questions. Okay, we don't have any questions in the chat room. So if everybody has any questions, just message me in the traders chat, the Flash Traders chat. And that's it for today's call. I will send also out the update on Saturday how I'm gonna trade next week. But thank you everybody that was attending this call live, and everybody that was watching the recording. Also, I wish you a really good trading week to finish this trading week. So just go back. So yeah, guys, again, thank you for attending this call, and I wish you a good trading week. Talk to you soon. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.